How to download and install the Cooperative Bank app on your device. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now at the bottom right corner, simply tap on the source icon. Now tap on the source bar. Now type Cooperative Bank. Now once you type this, simply tap on the source icon. Now tap on the Cooperative Bank app and click on install. If you don't find the application here, go back to the home screen and open up your web browser. Now tap on the source bar and type Cooperative Bank APK download. Now click on search. Now open up the first website. Now tap on download. Now go to details. Until the application is being downloaded, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Now once the file is downloaded, simply tap on the file and install this application. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.